friends, back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. This video I'm going to show you the Vechain live price prediction. What's the change goals at this time in the Vechain? A lot of people at this time message me on Instagram that what's going on in the Vechain, what should we do at this time as the best time to buy, sell or hold Vechain coin. As you know, the farming period of the Vechain starts now. That is why a lot of people confuse and worry about that what's the next move occurs in the Vechain coin, friends. So as you can see here, the current change occurred in the Vechain in the last 1 hour only is negative 2.77%. So really they are very worrying about this change. That is why they message me on Instagram that what we do at this time, friends. So finally I decided to make a video for my viewers. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more news and updates, friends. Now for more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the Vechain and try to detect the next move of the Vechain coin, friends. As you can see here, the farming period of the Vechain coin starts now from the previous last 50 minutes, I think. As you can see here, in the start of this month they take a jump, this hour they take a jump, but after some time they again falls down, as you can see here, and now they go neutral, take a jump for a later time. As you can see, gradually try to move upward, and now if we look the currently situation of Bitcoin, so currently they are again falling. So for detection of the next move, we have to look the last 2 hour price prediction, what's the change goes in the 2 hour, and we try to detect the next move of Vechain coin according to on the basis of technical analysis, friends. As you can see, they are loading, so if you don't subscribe, kindly subscribe now, ABS Tech channel. I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news, friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember I am announcing a giveaway of 100 Vechain coins, so be ready for a giveaway and be active on channel, friends. Oh my god, it's very bad change goes at this time in the Vechain coin. I think as you can see here, if we do a technical analysis, so as you can see here, they break, that is a support level and that is a resistance levels. As you can see here, they break the support level, as you can see here, and falls down occurs in the Vechain coin. So absolutely is a very bad news for all Vechain holders. If the support broken by Vechain coin, that's mean that the very big falls of the Vechain coin are coming soon. So don't worry about this falls if you are holders. So please hold your Vechain coin with the last of this one. That's just to begin. Every cryptocurrency falls down for a little time. Don't worry about this. This is just last 1 hour falls. A lot of cryptocurrencies falls down for 1 day, for 2 days, and after 2 days they take a jump. So be patient and hold your Vechain coin. Don't worry about this. After some falls, again jump are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this video and subscribe ABS Tech channel for more new updates.